Hi everyone, this is Christina within the garden. I'm just sitting here quietly in my 4 beds that I am prepping for plants to go in this Sunday. The bed in front of me, behind you, is the garlic bed we planted together just a few months ago. We put some garlic in there in the fall, and we are going to cover it with straw, water it in, and cover with the bed with a row cover. Not because it necessarily needs the extra warmth, but I don't want the straw to blow away, and that's going to keep moisture in. So let me show you that bed. We're going to add a little bit of the soil conditioner on top here, add the straw back, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cover it with a row cover, like I said, mostly so the straw doesn't blow away. All of these beds were recovered with straw and it blew away.
Right here?
Hi everyone, I am finishing off my garlic bed. It's just a touch-up for when I planted it in the fall. I came in and I put some soil on it the other day. You would have seen that. And now we're just touching it back up with some hay. Let me show you what I've got from Epic Gardening. It's just a tiny bag of hay. Let me show you. So you might have seen this in another video. This is just garden straw, but they multiple times rinse this straw and make sure that it is a clean product. It ends up being this fine. And let me show you how we put it across the bed. You might see that it's in the corners. It blew off really bad. So I'm going to touch it up one more time, and then it's going to rain. So we're going to be okay with that because it'll push that down into the soil. But it holds the moisture in, and it keeps our garlic warm. Okay everyone, so you would have seen me plant this as of last fall, and then I came in and put some compost on top, and then we did put straw in. That was off camera, but today we added more straw because of the wind. Now it's gonna rain right now. In fact, it already started, so we're gonna let Mother Nature take care of the rest, and we will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy planting, growing, and eating garlic like we do. See you guys.